What's up, everybody?
Yo.
We're back, and we're back with my piece of shit again.
2500 Dodge Ram.
5.2 V8. It's making this god-awful squealing sound.
He's gonna fire it up here in a second and show you.
We're gonna find out what the fuck it is and try and fix it.
We know it's got to be a pulley, but we ain't sure where it's coming from yet. So he's gonna fire it up. We're gonna spray some WD-40 on the belt and see which pulley starts slipping real bad. And yeah.
Now, mind you guys missed the fun. How long ago did my water pump go out?
Oh shit.
About 3 or 4 months, something like that.
Oh no, but it was horrible replacing it.
Fucking.
He slept through it while I did it.
I'm driving around like normal, and I've been making that squealing sound for a while, and well, it turns out it was my water pump fucked up. I've actually got the pump inside,
yeah,
so we'll have to show them on the next video.
Alright.
It was pretty fucked up.
We'll show you the pump.
But yeah, I guess I'll fire this up and let y'all hear what the fuck's wrong with it.
Hey, here, fire it up and show him and shit. I'm gonna go grab the WD-40.
This is my Casa de Yum Yums here. Yeah. Alright. Now, it's not that prevalent today, but you can still hear it. You can't quite tell where it's coming from, and that's what we're here to find out.
We're going to give a little shot on the outside of the belt to see if it's the outside pulley. Then we'll probably give it a shot on the inside. It's still squealing like a hoe cake.
Yeah, squealing like your mom.
So if I can get to an inside pulley.
When I'm all like, what do you know?
So he's got a serpentine belt here, so now we know it's a pulley that's causing it on the groove side of the belt. So that does away with
3? Is it 3 or 2? We got the diagram here somewhere.
You ain't gonna like this.
Why?
It does away with 1. Okay, so we eliminated 1 pulley.
That's the block pulley, right?
That's the idler pulley.
Yeah.
Because your tensioner pulley, which, if I remember right, most of them run on the outside of the belt. This one runs on the inside.
Now, if the WD-40 is kind of wearing off, it's getting a lot worse.
Okay, now I'm going to shoot the tensioner pulley, and we're going to see if that quietens up. I'm going to actually shoot the bearings in the middle. Because it could be just a bad tensioner pulley.
Yeah, that's what he said. If he can get in
I can get in this motherfucker. I can't even get that WD-40 out of the fucking can in there. I've been through cans of this shit, man. This bitch is getting loud. Okay, I lied. We're going to take the tensioner pulley off and check it out. So,
you want me to turn it off?
Huh?
You want me to turn it off?
Probably. That bitch is screaming again.
Here, trade me.
Alright, we're going to go ahead and pull the belt off of this and check that tensioner pulley and see if the bearings are dried up and going out on this thing. And, yeah, what he said.
Yeah.
If it is, we'll see if they're still good. If they are, we'll oil them up and try and run it anyway. If it's bad, he'll go get a new fucking tensioner pulley. So, But we'll let you know in part 2, and we'll show you that water pump.
Yeah.
So have fun.
Coffee and tools. That's all we fucking need, man. Oh, and the cigarettes, too.
Oh yeah, I blew my ratchet up on the Honda, so I ain't got a fucking ratchet no more.
Alright, we'll see ya.
Alright, because I got the man's tool.
Yeah. See y'all later.